Work measurement objectives, procedures components, advantages. Work measurement is a systematic industrial engineering technique used to establish the standard time required for a qualified worker to complete a specific task at a defined rate of performance. These methods include time study, work sampling, and predetermined motion time system. The resulting time allowed for a job enabling performance benchmarking, accurate costing, producting, scheduling, and labor capacity planning.
Topic 2. Method study and work simplification. Method study and work simplification are industrial engineering techniques to find the most efficient way to perform a job, reducing time, effort, and cost by systematically analyzing and improving processes, movements, and layouts. Work simplification is the systematic use of common sense in the quest for better and easier methods of accomplishing the work, as a tool to combat the increasing costs associated with the performance of each activity at the job site. Body. Both method study and work simplification benefit not only management but also employees. For management, these techniques lead to lower production costs, better use of resources, and improved productivity. For workers, simplified work processes create a safer and more comfortable working environment, leading to higher job satisfaction and reduced physical strain. In conclusion, method study and work simplification play a vital role in enhancing workplace efficiency and productivity. By carefully analyzing existing work methods and simplifying tasks, organization can eliminate unnecessary effort and improve performance. These techniques promote better use of time, materials, and human resources, with also improving employee well-being.
Now let's proceed to the topic 3, ergonomics and workplace design. Ergonomics is the scientific discipline concerned with understanding the interactions between humans and other elements of a system, particularly in the workplace. It focuses on designing tasks, tools, and the environment that fit the physical and psychological needs of workers. Proper workplace design guided by ergonomic principles aims to improve employee comfort, safety, productivity, and overall well-being. In today's modern work settings, whether offices, factories, or remote workspaces, ergonomics plays a vital role in preventing work-related injuries and promoting efficiency. Ergonomics involves adapting the job to the worker rather than forcing the worker to adapt to the job. It considers human capabilities and limitations, including posture, movement, vision, hearing, and cognitive ability. The main goal is to reduce strain, fatigue, and the risk of injury while improving work performance. So what are the importance of workplace design? Workplace design refers to the arrangement of furniture, equipment, tools, lighting, ventilation, and workflow within a work environment. A well-designed workplace minimizes physical stress, enhances comfort, and support efficient task performance. Poor design can lead to musculoskeletal disorders, eye strain, stress, and reduced productivity. So there are 3 types of ergonomics. First one is the physical ergonomics. This focuses on body posture, repetitive movements, lifting, and workstation layout. Second one is the cognitive ergonomics. This deals with mental processes such as perception, memory, decision-making, and workload. Lastly is the organizational ergonomics. This involves work schedules, job design, teamwork, and communication system. The benefits of ergonomics in the workplace. This is to reduce work-related injuries and health problems, to improve employee comfort and morale, to increases productivity and work efficiency, to decreases absenteeism and healthcare costs, to enhances job satisfaction and work quality. Examples of ergonomics practices. First one is adjustable chairs and desks. Second one is proper monitor height and keyboard placement. Second one is adequate lighting and ventilation. Fourth one is scheduled breaks to reduce fatigue. Training employees on proper posture and movement. So, ergonomics and workplace design are essential component of a healthy and productive work environment. By applying ergonomics principles, organizations can protect employees from injuries, improve efficiency, and create a safer and more comfortable workplace. Investing in ergonomic design benefits both employee and employers by promoting well-being, productivity, and long-term organizational success.
I will discuss the motivation and productivity. Motivations refers to the reason why people put efforts into their work, while productivity refers to how efficiently and effectively work is completed. These two are closely connected because when employees are motivated, they tend to perform better. There are two types of motivations. First is intrinsic motivation, which comes from within the person, such as enjoying their job or feeling satisfied after completing a task. Second is extrinsic motivation, which comes from outside factors like salary, rewards, recognitions, or promotion. Productivity means completing tasks on time and maintaining good quality. In a, and in an organizations, whether a school, office, or company, high productivity means goals are achieved efficiently. When employees feel valued, supported, and appreciated, they become more motivated. As a result, they focus more on their work and produce better results. Organizations can improve motivation by creating a positive work environment, treat, treating employees fairly, and recognizing their efforts. In conclusion, motivations plays an important role in increasing productivity. Motivated employees work harder, perform better, and help the organization succeed.
Verse 6. Learning curves. Introduction. Learning curves explanation how people improve their performance as they gain experience in doing a task. In work system, learning curves help shows how workers become faster and more efficient over time. That this concept is important in human factors because it focuses on how people learn and adapt in the workplace. Body. A learning curves show that when a task is repeated, the time needed to complete it decreases and accuracy improves. Workers, learners, better methods, reduce mistakes, and become more confident. Learning learning curves helps organization plan training, sets goals, and improve work systems. Good task design and proper training help workers learn faster and work safety. Learning curves are important in work system because they show experience improves performance. Understanding learning curves helps creates better work system that match human abilities and support productivity.
Human-machine interaction is the study of how people interact with machine and technology to create systems that are safe, efficient, and user-friendly. It focuses on usability, user experience, ergonomics, and reducing human error. HMI has three components: the user, human abilities and behavior, the machine or system, hardware and software, and the interface, the communication link like screen, button, and voice assistant. It is used in many fields such as healthcare, transportation, industry, and smart technologies, improving efficiency and safety, although it also faces challenges like complex design and privacy issues. Overall, HMI is important because it ensures technology is designed around human needs, making system more effective, accessible, and comfortable to use.
Job design and job evaluation. Job design and job evaluation are important concepts in human resource management that help organization improve productivity, employee satisfaction, and fairness in the workplace. Job design focus on organizing tasks, duties, and responsibility is a way that motivate employees and improves efficiency, while job evaluation determines that the relative value of jobs within an organization to ensure equitable compensation. Together, this process support effective workforce management and organization issues. Jo- Job design refers to the process of structuring work activities, responsibilities, and tasks to achieve organizational goals while meeting employee needs. Effective job design considered factors such as skill, variety, task, identity, autonomy, and feedback. Common approaches to job design include job rotation, job enlargement, and job enrichment. When jobs are well designed, employees tend to be more motivated, productive, and satisfied, leading to reduced turnover and improved performance. Job evaluation is a system process used to assess the relative worth of job within an organization. It focuses on the job itself rather than the person performing it. Job evaluation helps establish a fair and consistent by structure by comparing job based on factors such as skill required, responsibility, effort, and working conditions. Common methods of job evaluation include ranking, classification, point factor, and factor comparison method. A fair job evaluation system promotes transparency, equity, and employee trust. In job design and job evaluation are essential tools for managing human resource. Effective job design ensure that work is meaningful, efficient, and motivating, while job evaluation provides a fair basis for compensation and career structure. By implementing sound job design and job evaluation practice, organization can create a balanced work environment that benefits both employee and employers.
Topic 8: Occupational Health and Safety Management. Occupational health and safety management is a structured approach organizations use to protect employees' health, safety, and well-being at work. It focuses on identifying workplace hazards, assessing risk, and implementing preventive measures to reduce accidents, injuries, and occupational illness. Beyond being a legal obligation of effective OHSM is a moral and economic responsibility as it enhances productivity, boosts employee morale, and strengthens an organization's reputation. Occupational health and safety management ensures safe workplaces through proper policies, training, and hazard control. It prevents injuries, protects health, reduces costs, and improves productivity. Safety is shared responsibility, supported by risk assessment, emergency planning, and continuous improvement. In conclusion, Occupational health and safety management ensures a safe and healthy workplace by identifying risk, applying preventive measures, and promoting safety awareness. It reduces accidents and diseases while improving efficiency, lowering costs, and ensuring legal compliances, benefiting both employees and employers. Ultimately, workplaces safety supports productivity.
Fatigue, stress, and workload analysis. Fatigue, stress, and workload are common problems in school and work that affect a person's performance and well-being. Fatigue. Fatigue is extreme tiredness caused by lack of rest or long periods of activity. It's the kind of tired you feel when you haven't slept enough or have been working non-stop for too long. Effects include low energy, poor focus, and decreased performance. When you're fatigued, you feel drained, distracted, and it becomes harder to do your best. Stress. Stress is the body's response to pressure or demands. Stress happens when you feel overwhelmed by responsibilities, problems, or expectations. Common effects include anxiety, headaches, irritability, and health problems. Too much stress can make you feel worried, easily annoyed, and even physically unwell. Workload. Workload refers to the amount of tasks or responsibilities a person has. It's simply how much work or responsibility you're expected to handle. A balanced workload helps improve efficiency and mental health. When your tasks are manageable, you feel more focused, productive, and less pressured. Managing fatigue, stress, and workload. 1. Proper time management. Organizing your time helps you stay in control instead of feeling rushed. 2. Regular breaks and enough sleep. Rest gives you body and mind time to recharge. 3. Healthy lifestyle and exercise. Taking care of your body helps you handle stress better. 4. Seeking support when needed. Talking to someone you trust can make challenges feel lighter and easier to manage. For the conclusion, managing fatigue, stress, and workload through balance, rest, and proper support helps improve overall performance and health.
Operation strategy is the long-term plan that guides how company uses its resources, such as employees, machines, technology, and facilities, to produce goods or deliver services efficiently. It focuses on improving processes, managing capacity, and ensuring quality, organizing supply chains, and coordinating the workforce. The main goal of operation strategy is to make sure that daily activities support the company's overall mission and long-term objectives. Competitive advantage refers to a company ability to perform better than its competitors. A company gains competitive advantage when it provides greater value to customer either by of, offering lower prices or by delivering better quality, faster service, or unique products. According to Michael Porter, competitive advantage can from cost leadership, being the lowest cost producer, or differentiation, offering something unique. Operation strategy helps create competitive advantage in several ways. First, by reducing costs through efficient production and waste reduction, a company can offer lower prices. Second, by improving quality, it can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. Third, by increasing speed, it can respond quickly to customer demands. Fourth, flexibility allows a company to adjust to changes in the market. Finally, dependability ensures consistent and reliable service, which builds trust for operation strategy to be effective, and it must align with the company's overall business strategy. For example, if a company wants to compete through low prices, its operation must focus on efficiency and standardization if wants to complete through innovation.
So, what is meant by health, stress, and well being in work systems? So, a work systems refers to how work is organized, task schedules, tools, environment, leadership, and relationships at work. According to the World Health Organization and the International Labor Organization, workers' health and well-being are shaped not only by personal habits, but also by how the workplace is designed and managed. In simple terms, this topic explains how the way work is organized affects a worker's physical health, mental health, stress level, and overall quality of life. So, health and well-being in the workplace. Health in the workplace system includes physical health, fatigue, body pain, injuries, illness, mental health, emotional stability, motivation, focus, and social well-being, good relationships, and support at work. A work system that provides safe equipment, reasonable workload, clear job rules, and supportive supervisors help employees stay healthy and productive. When workers feel respected and supported, their overall well-being improves. This also reduces absenteeism and increases job satisfaction. Work-related stress and its causes. Stress happens when work demands are greater than a person's ability or resources to cope. Common sources of work stress includes heavy workload and long working hours, lack of control over tasks, unclear responsibilities, poor communication and conflict, and job insecurity. In many workplaces, especially in health and service sectors, employees experience time pressure, emotional demands, and shifting schedules. When stress is continuous, it can lead to headaches, sleep problems, anxiety, burnout, and reduced job performance. So, how stress affect health and well-being? Long-term stress does not only affect emotions, it can affect the body and behavior. Physically, workers may experience chronic fatigue, high blood pressure, frequent illness. Psychologically, workers may experience irritability, anxiety, low self-confidence, loss of motivations. And socially, stress may weaken teamwork and communication, which can create more conflict and further stress in the work systems. So, work systems that support well-being. A healthy work systems promote well-being by setting realistic workloads, allowing breaks and rest periods, encouraging teamwork and open communication, providing mental health support and counseling services, and recognizing employees' efforts. When management designs work in a way that consider human limits and emotional needs, employees become more engaged, resilient, and committed to their jobs. So, health, stress, and well-being in work systems are closely connected. Poorly designed work systems, such as those with excessive workloads, unclear rules, and weak leadership, create stress, which gradually damage both physical and mental health. In contrast, supportive and well-planned work systems help workers manage pressure, maintain motivation, and develop a sense of purpose in their works.
Topic 12. Work systems and human factors. Body. Work systems and human factors focus on the interaction between people, technology, tasks, and the work environment. This field examines how work is designed and organized to improve efficiency, safety, comfort, and overall performance. By understanding human capabilities, limitations, and behavior, organizations can design work systems that support workers' physical, and mental well-being while achieving organizational goals today's complex and technology-driven workplaces. The study of work systems and human factors is increasingly important. Work systems connected elements including workers, technology, tasks, procedures, decisional environment at these elements function together efficiently. Poorly designed work systems can lead to errors, accidents, low productivity, and effective work systems are designed to, while well-designed systems promote safety, quality, and job satisfaction. Ergonomics factor as cognitive far to schedules also influence well-being systems. This includes physical factors such as posture, repetitive workstation, attention, and organizational factors. Applying human factors principle helps reduce workplace fatigue and error. For example, while clear procedures and user-friendly technology can mistakes in industries such as healthcare, work systems and human factors play a vital role in creating safe, efficient, and health workplaces. By designing work systems that consider human physical, cognitive, and social characteristics, organizations can reduce risk, improve performance, and enhance employee well-being. At work environments continue to evolve with technological integrating into work system design remains essential for long-term success sustainability.